Yes, you have an upcoming event, a business seminar, an academic seminar, a social event, a church event, or any kind of event at all, and you are confused about how exactly to start marketing your event. You don't know how to put it out there for people to come in. You need large number of people to come for your event, but you don't know the exact way. You don't know how to begin marketing your event. You are in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you strategies, step by step strategy to market your event on social media. Stick with me. The first thing is the power of pre-event hype. A lot of mistakes people do when they want to market their event. You're having a seminar, for instance, a business seminar. You just say, join us on the 26th of December 2024 for a business seminar at an event center. No, it's too boring. You don't market your events that way. The first thing you need to do is to start with teasers. Let there be pre-event hype. Instead of going straight to the point, just give them something like, are you ready to transform your business to the next level? Watch out. Now, small business owner or any business owner at all who is interested in pushing his business or taking his or her business to the next level will be interested in that post. They will want to watch out for what is next. That is the power of pre-event hype. Don't just start straight off with the marketing. Drop teasers. Drop teasers. If you have seen events that were marketed very well, that was how they began. They began with teasers. Just whet people's appetite. Don't give them the full thing. Don't give them the full details. Just whet their appetite a bit, a bit, a bit. And then you build the momentum. You build that momentum of expectation. They don't know what is next. They don't know what you want to say. They will be able to flow with you and pay rapt attention to what you are marketing. So if you're marketing any event at all, the first thing you need is pre-event hype. Don't drop the full details. Drop a teaser. It might be a teaser graphics or a teaser video to whet their appetite. That's the first thing you should do. People need to feel that vibe. They need to feel the vibe of the event right from the beginning, not at the end. Right from the beginning, they need to feel that vibe. I know that, yes, this event is not something I should miss. So never you ignore the power of pre-event hype. Number 2, choose the right platform. I've discussed this in previous videos I made on this channel. Not all platforms align with your goals. So when you are setting out to market your event on social media, make sure you choose the right platform. Now, for instance, TikTok and Instagram, they are good for short form content and videos. You can have stories, shorts, like 5 seconds visuals on Instagram. You can go on TikTok live. They are good for short form videos. They are very good for it. So if you are looking to market your event, consider Instagram and TikTok for short form content videos. Then for Facebook, you can use that to create event pages and drive community engagement. Facebook has that feature where you can set up an event page, say everything about the event, the kind of event it is, the date, the time, the location, and all that details about the event can be set up on Facebook, and then it can be used to drive community engagement. You can see the number of people that are going to attend, the number of people that are not sure, and the number of people that won't be going. So Facebook is quite good for setting up event pages and driving community engagement. For Twitter, known as X, it is good for driving engagement, for dropping quick updates. You want to drop quick updates about the event. Twitter is good for that. And it's good for countdown as well. Then Twitter is also good for polls. You can run polls about the event on Twitter. For LinkedIn is good for professional business networking events. So if that's what you're looking at, LinkedIn is a perfect place to push your event. So what am I trying to say? Focus on the platform where your target audience hangs out the most. If majority of your target audience are on Facebook, focus on Facebook. If majority of your target audience are on Instagram, make use of Instagram the most for your event marketing. Another point you must note is that you have to create engaging posts. People don't like boring posts, and they will rarely react to boring posts. In fact, you will rarely catch their attention if you put out boring posts. So your post must be quite engaging. and must be relatable. What can you do? Show them behind the scenes. People like feeling like they are insiders. They want to know the preparations. Show them videos of the preparations of the event. Show them what's going on behind the scene. Put out short videos of planning sessions. Put out short videos of, you putting things together for the event. It sparks their interest in wanting to attend that event. Behind the scene moments, always put it out for your audience to see. You can also have speakers or performers highlights or spotlights. Speakers or performers spotlight. Put the speakers on a spotlight. Put the performers on a spotlight. If you're having a business meeting or a business event, the speakers for that event, put them in the spotlight. Let them say one or two things about your event. Let them tell the audience why they should not miss your event. And those short videos, put them out for people to see. It's part of the event marketing. Then you have user-generated content, UGC, user-generated content. Your audience can also generate content for you for free. When it comes to event marketing, the audience play a big role in the marketing of that event. Now, encourage your audience to do videos of why they are excited about the event. Let them say one or two things they are expecting about the event. Let them say one or two things why they want to attend that event. It sparkles interest. Those videos, you gather them and you repost them. It's free content. There are a lot of events who have this getdp.co or something like that. I'll put it on the screen. The users can generate a personalized DP of the event. Something like, I will be attending, and their names are there. They post it on their own page. You also get to repost some. So it's free marketing for you. Free marketing. So it adds to the beauty, it adds to the expectation for the event. But one thing you must not forget is post consistently, but switch your format. What do I mean? Today, you post a reel. Tomorrow, you can post a user-generated content. The day after, you can post carousels. And the day after, you can post an interview. So keep switching the format. There shouldn't be any boring moment. Switch the format, but post consistently. What's the next thing to do? Leverage paid ads and influencers. Paid ads and influencers. You can do paid ads on Twitter, on Facebook, and Instagram. I'll encourage you to do more on Facebook and Instagram. Now, you have to have a target. Make sure that's why I call it targeted ads, not just a random ad, because you have to choose the location that resonates with the location of the event, the age group, the people who have the same interest as the event you are promoting. So the ads have to be targeted. Then you can also collaborate with local influencers and industry leaders. They both have their parts to play. For local influencers, they help you reach a broader audience because they have lots of people following them who reside in that particular city where you are hosting your event. So collaborating with them helps you to reach a broader audience. For industry leaders, collaborating with them, adds credibility to the event. They are industry leaders, I mean. So whatever they have to say about things in that industry, people hold it in high esteem. So identify key stakeholders, industry leaders in that particular niche that your event is about. Collaborate with them and let them help you promote your event. It helps you reach a broader audience as well, but most importantly, it adds credibility to that event. But one thing you must not forget is whoever you are choosing, whichever industry leader you are picking, must align with the kind of audience you are expecting. Now, you wouldn't go to collaborate with an industry leader in beauty and cosmetics for a tech event. It doesn't align. No, it doesn't align. So you must make sure that whoever you are collaborating with as an industry leader has the same audience as the kind of audience you are expecting for your event. Another sweet strategy you can use is subscribing to this channel and hitting the like button on this video. Don't mind me. Another sweet strategy you should incorporate is the event and post-event marketing strategy. See, your work is not all done up to the time of the event. You should keep the buzz alive. You should keep the momentum and the energy. Continue till the event day, and even when the event starts. You can go live. Go live on Instagram. Share exciting moments, highlights. Share it on Twitter. Share it on TikTok. Encourage people to share their pictures or their highlights of the event. That's when you need an hashtag for the event. Have a unique hashtag for the event so that everybody that posts during the event, you can easily view their posts. So develop a unique hashtag and encourage all the attendees to use that hashtag. Then you must not forget to gather feedback. Always ask for feedback of the event. Announce what's next. Always stay a step ahead. These things will help you for your next event. If you follow these tips I have given, trust me, your event will dominate social media and keep people begging for more. What's your own strategy? Drop it in the comment section. Let's all learn. Until next time, keep engaging, keep creating, and keep making those events memorable. See you in my next video.